In this video, we listed the 5 best USB-C Ethernet adapter on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I try to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. UGREEN CM648 Best USB-C Ethernet Adapter. The UGREEN USB Ethernet Adapter, model CM648, is a high-performance network solution designed to deliver stable and ultra-fast connectivity. Supporting transmission speeds of up to 2,500 megabits per second, it ensures smooth data transfer for demanding tasks like HD streaming, online gaming, and large file sharing. With dual input options of USB-A and USB-C, the adapter offers wide compatibility with laptops, PCs, and NAS servers, making it versatile for both home and professional use. Built with a durable, sleek design, it integrates seamlessly into any workspace while providing reliable long-term performance. Optimized for 10 gigabit Ethernet networks, the adapter minimizes signal loss with its CM648 chipset, ensuring a consistent and high-quality internet connection. Whether for work, entertainment, or productivity, the UGREEN USB Ethernet adapter is a reliable gateway to faster, more efficient networking. Number 2. Vention CFQ Ethernet Adapter. The Vention 1000 megabits per second USB LAN adapter, model CFQ, delivers fast, stable, and secure wired internet connectivity, making it the perfect solution for laptops, MacBooks, tablets, and even mobile devices. Featuring dual USB-A and USB-C interfaces, it offers wide compatibility with both modern and legacy devices, ensuring effortless connectivity without worrying about port limitations. With support for 10/100/1000 Mbps gigabit transmission rates, the adapter guarantees smooth performance for large file transfers, HD video streaming, video conferencing, and online gaming. Powered by a high-performance Realtek chip, it provides low power consumption, reliable speed, and consistent stability. Built with an aluminum alloy shell for efficient heat dissipation and equipped with multiple safety protections including overcurrent, reverse current, and short-circuit protection, this adapter is designed for durability and long-term use. Compact, stylish, and easy to carry, the Vention USB LAN adapter is an essential tool for anyone looking to overcome Wi-Fi instability and enjoy a seamless wired internet experience. Number 3. Kebidu Wired Gigabit Ethernet Adapter. The Kebidu 2.5 gigabits per second USB-C to RJ45 Ethernet adapter is designed to deliver a fast, stable, and reliable wired internet connection for modern devices. Supporting data transfer speeds of up to 2.5 gigabits per second, it ensures smooth streaming, lag-free gaming, and efficient work performance without the delays and instability of Wi-Fi. Built with a durable aluminum alloy shell, the adapter is compact, lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and fingerprint-proof, making it both stylish and portable. Featuring LED indicators, it provides real-time status updates for power and network connectivity at a glance. With its plug-and-play functionality, there's no need for drivers or software, just connect and go. The adapter is widely compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Chrome OS, as well as a broad range of devices including MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iMac, iPad Pro, Microsoft Surface, Google Pixelbook, Dell XPS, Asus ZenBook, Razer Blade Stealth, Samsung Galaxy phones, and many more. Whether for gaming, video conferencing, live streaming, or everyday browsing, the Kebidu 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet adapter offers a fast, secure, and hassle-free networking solution for laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Number 4. UGREEN CM475 UGREEN USB-C Ethernet. The UGREEN CM475 USB 3.0 Ethernet adapter HUB is a versatile solution that combines fast wired internet with expanded device connectivity. Featuring a gigabit RJ45 port supporting speeds up to 1,000 megabits per second, it ensures stable and reliable network performance for smooth online gaming, HD video streaming, large file transfers, and everyday browsing. In addition to its Ethernet functionality, It comes with 3 USB 3.0 ports offering data transfer speeds up to 5 gigabits per second, allowing you to easily connect peripherals such as keyboards, mice, external drives, and printers. Designed with both USB-A and USB-C inputs, this adapter provides broad compatibility across laptops, desktops, tablets, and even devices like the Xiaomi Mi Box and Nintendo Switch, delivering faster downloads and more stable gameplay compared to Wi-Fi. Built with a durable aluminum alloy shell, braided cable, and powerful AX88179A plus GL3510 chipset, it offers excellent stability, heat dissipation, and long-lasting performance. Supporting multiple operating systems including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Chrome OS, it works seamlessly with plug-and-play functionality on most platforms. Compact, durable, and highly efficient, the UGREEN CM475 is the perfect all-in-one adapter for expanding connectivity and enjoying a faster, more stable internet experience. Number 5. UGOURD Ethernet Adapter. The UGOURD Type-C multifunctional converter is a versatile and compact docking station designed to enhance connectivity for modern users. Measuring just 15 centimeters, this hub offers an impressive array of features, including Gigabit RJ45 Ethernet, 4K HDMI output, multiple USB 3.0 ports, and SD/TF card readers, making it ideal for professionals, gamers, and anyone needing reliable connections. With models available that support up to 1000 megabits per second Ethernet and PD100W fast charging, users can enjoy efficient power delivery alongside high-speed data transfers of up to 5 gigabits per second. The sleek design not only complements any workspace but also ensures durability, with robust build quality that withstands daily use. Enhanced functionality, including a 3.5mm headphone port, makes this hub an essential accessory for seamless productivity and entertainment, allowing users to connect multiple devices effortlessly while maintaining high performance.